Hello, beautiful people. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So finally, guys, MC was able to finish putting varnish to our bamboo sofa. And yesterday, we were able to enjoy sitting down in here. And I also put the pillows. And it is very comfy actually. Though, you know what, the main reason why I wanted to go to Unitop the other day is actually because I wanted to get a pillowcase for our pillows, and I was not like able to get it because I totally forgot, like the main reason I forgot to get. So this will do for now, and next time maybe I go to DIY and that's where I'm gonna get pillowcases. One of you guys have actually suggested that, so dziękuję bardzo. You know what, guys, I super enjoy and appreciate all your comments. I love reading them, and especially all of your recommendations and suggestions. Please keep them coming because I really like them. So anyway, there it is. We chose the natural color, as you guys can see, and I prefer this color because you can see the natural color of the bamboo itself. And with the mahogany, it was not good. I don't like it, but yeah, here it is. It's looking pretty good. Oh, one of you guys suggested as well that we should put the two chairs like right where the railings is, and then this one in that way, so it's more welcoming. And actually, that's a very brilliant idea, so thank you again. Back of the house, and I just want to share that yesterday we actually flattened this area over here. If you guys can recall, this is where they've actually put all of the cement and concrete and the tiles that they removed from the previous terrace, and we just flattened it for the next project. Stay tuned for that. It's not gonna be soon yet, okay, but at least it's gonna look like this. It's cleaner that way, and it is ready. Also, I love how it looks here, by the way. I love the color white. It looks very neat and clean. And over here, I've already put the plants with the new pots that we purchased. So here they are. Look, these are the new plants that we planted yesterday. Hopefully they will survive. And here are some old ones that we put in this area. And then here, MC, Sis, and Scarlett were the ones actually cleaning this section over here. Thank you so much to MC. She is very hardworking. She's very good, guys. Oh, they removed the grass, and it looks clean now here, so that's very good. So the terrace is actually coming along together, and I absolutely like how everything turned out. Now I'm able to enjoy it, though I really want to decorate more, and I know some of you guys have suggested that I shouldn't be putting a lot of stuff in here so it is still spacious. And you know what, I think I'm gonna try to use like ChatGPT today and ask for his ideas and suggestions. I'm gonna take a photo of the terrace and let's see how will it turn out, and just design it like very simple, native, since we have the bamboo, but with also nice dining so we can enjoy breakfast here. You know what? Ever since this terrace has been finished, I have been enjoying breakfast here, lunch, especially dinner. At night, we have a nice cool breeze, so I really like laying around here. Last night, we were here up until like 9 p.m. So that's really nice because it's very cool, and we can just lie down over here. But yeah, let's try ChatGPT later. guys. I have been trying to put Fiang to sleep for the last hour, but then again, she doesn't want to go to sleep, and now I just finished talking to Robbie. Anyway, so like I've said before, I am going to ask GPT for help on how we can decorate and beautify our new terrace. So earlier, I took photos from every angle of the new terrace, and now I'm going to share it with you, okay? So, how did I ask GPT? I said to decorate my new terrace with bamboo sofa sets, since we already have bamboo sofa right here, right? And 6-seater dining table. I really want to have a dining table in here because again, I do enjoy having my meals here, and especially in the morning and at night, dinner. In the afternoon, though, it is really hot. Can I just say? I know some of you guys will say, MJ, you should have gone with the foam, the insulated foam. So it's not going to be as hot. But again, Vuyak said it's not a good idea because the birds will be eating them and it's going to be very dusty. So aside from 6-seater dining table, I said put few plants, cozy vibe, but still minimalist since we don't want to crowd our terrace. Now, I mean, it doesn't mean that you have a bigger space. You have to like put a lot of stuff in there. It's still good to have a space where you can walk around and yeah, just organize everything. So I want to have a natural tropical vibe, all right? So first picture, guys, let me show you. So this is the picture, and wow, I absolutely like it. I also asked GPT to put the warm lights, so that's why you guys can see that there are lights. I think they put the bamboo dining table, but I don't think I'm gonna go with a bamboo dining table. But still, I would go for a wooden dining table. I think it's the warm lights that's actually making the terrace very cozy, and it's very good. You know what? I've actually shared these pictures to Robbie, and he said, oh my gosh, this is really, really good. Indeed, it's so beautiful, guys. And then we have here a rattan rug. So yes, I'm gonna have to look for a rattan rug. Maybe it is available in Carbon Market. We'll see. I think I've seen some in Carbon, so maybe we'll have a trip there someday. We're gonna have to get like a white cushion and some green pillowcases. We'll have to look for that. And then the last one, I asked GPT to give me like an outside decor view of the terrace. So this is the third picture. Now you guys can see he put lights in the front in the wall, and that is so pretty. And also, can you see the footpath as well? Robbie said you need to get the footpath because it's so nice. And of course, plants below. I need to get like hanging plants. I think it's gonna look really nice with the front terrace. Yes. Also, we have like a light that is made of wood as well that we can put in the middle. So that's one thing we have to get. So yeah. There you go. What do you guys think? It's really pretty, right? So that's gonna be the vibe that we're gonna be going for in beautifying our terrace. For now, it's very blank and empty, but slowly we're gonna try to get some of those pieces, especially the rug, because I think it's gonna make everything so cozy and nice. So yeah, I'm happy about that. Thanks, GPT. Now I do have an inspiration. You know what? I kinda hate GPT for that because he's just too good, and everybody just relies with GPT now, and it's just gonna make everybody dull because you don't use your brain anymore. Like you will stop thinking. Like your imagination is just not gonna be widened because there you just ask, you just type it, and you will have a result, and it is so great. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's it. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys have any more suggestions or any additions. I know you guys have a lot of recommendations that I do really appreciate, so comment them. Down, down. Oh, down do yun. Hey, Peng. Down, come on.
going to sleep. She grabbed the pillow and put it on the floor. Nanan, dali, nanan. Hamang ka, nanan. No, she don't wanna be disturbed by you. She wanna go far. Look. Okay. Over there. Oops. Careful. Come on. Ito, kay bago to. Wow, nanan. Where you gonna sleep, man? Look. Look. Tatay. Ginana na. Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh. Guys, Fiang loves the color red, I think. Look, the moment she entered her, she said, wow. The moment she saw this welcome rug. Fiang, what happened? Hush, Tutay. Hush. You're such a happy girl. Shush. Ang naong ba yun? Ginanan. Hala, oy. Asa mang mama ni Taa, oy. Wala man limos ato ba? Nanan man ni siya iyahara. She just sleeps by herself, oh. What? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She loves it here because she can roam around everywhere. Wow, Fiang is in the motorbike. Hi. Fiang. Hi. Are you driving? You like Boom Boom? Is that Boom Boom Peng? You know what? Every time the motorbike starts to turn on, she would already wanna go. She loves riding the motorbike. Because when she's in the tummy, she's been riding motorbike every day. Right? Tutu, yes, Tutay. Tutu, yes. Chocha. Chocha, Tutay. Oh. Okay, brum brum. Whoa.
Ada man, oh, brum brum na.
Na, brum.
Brum brum brum.
It's about to rain, guys. I was gonna water the plants. Look. It looks so nice. I need to get more plants. Also, hanging plants that we can hang one here, one over there, so it looks better and nice. And by the way, let me show you something. A lot of you guys have said to cut the overlapping tiles, the overhang tiles, but Vuyek have actually put a metal that can hold it together. See? Look, this one is metal, so we have metal here until there, so it actually like carries the tiles. See, guys, it goes all the way there. And there is a bracket below as well. And here Robbie said we have to flatten this area, so we need to put soil because it's actually not flat. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it is not flat. So we have to flatten this. So that's another project we will have to do. And a lot of you guys have also suggested the next project would have to be the carport. Well, we are going to park that suggestion for now because we've spent quite a lot for this terrace.